So I wanted to talk to you about our Vitamin-Infused Facial Treatment Mask. It is a powerhouse mask that helps to regenerate and hydrate the skin. It is filled with lots of anti-inflammatory ingredients, so it's perfect for sensitized skin or that skin that has undergone a laser treatment or has had some sun damage to it. It's also a great brightening treatment also for the skin. So it's really something that has a multitude of reasons to be used. It's very easy to use, and you have an instant plumping and brightening effect on the skin, as well as a cooling effect as well. So we have the cooling effect mainly with the aloe leaf and menthol lactate. We also have amazing antioxidants like the vitamin E, nicotinamide, and green tea. Licorice extract is a great anti-inflammatory ingredient. And of course we have hyaluronic acid, which we have in all of our products, and arbutin and vitamin C, which help brighten the skin. So how do you use this treatment? It's super easy to use. I would use it either in the morning or in the evening after you've cleansed your face, preferably with MZ Skin. And then afterwards you dry the face, you take the mask out of the package. There are two components, side components to it. You remove the two components and you place it on your face. You can gently pat down, and then you can either rest on a bed, which is the ideal way to have a little bit of downtime, keep it on for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then remove it. It is not reusable, so it's a one-time use. You may have a little bit of the fabulous serum still remaining on the skin, and if that is the case, then you can rub it in. If you don't want to have any more hydration, then you can just gently dab it off with a Kleenex. And then you're good to go. You can use this 2 or 3 times a week, and you can add a little bit of extra cooling effect. So if you have had a laser, or if you do have a sunburn, then you can actually just place it in the refrigerator or the freezer for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then afterwards place it on the face. So we hope that you enjoy using the mask as much as we do.